Hey everyone, welcome to Newdiscoverytv, your go-to YouTube channel for the latest and most reliable updates on new technology and groundbreaking inventions. In today's video, we'll be showcasing some of the coolest tech gadgets of 2025 from AliExpress and Amazon. If you're new to the channel, make sure to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss any of our exciting content. Let's dive in. Number 1. Kokoni Sota 3D Printer. The Kokoni Sota 3D printer is a cutting-edge device designed for speed and precision, offering 10x faster 3D printing compared to traditional models. Its AI-powered technology ensures high-quality prints while minimizing errors. One of its standout features is its ability to print in 7 colors, allowing for more vibrant and intricate designs without manual filament changes. The upside-down design enhances stability and accuracy, making it ideal for professionals and hobbyists alike. With Wi-Fi connectivity and smart controls, users can easily monitor and adjust prints remotely. Whether for prototyping, education, or creative projects, the Kokoni Sota 3D printer delivers efficiency, versatility, and innovation, making it a game-changer in the world of 3D printing. Number 2. GTMedia Hawkeye. The GTMedia Hawkeye AI-15 thermal imaging monocular is a cutting-edge device designed for night vision, hunting, security, and outdoor exploration. Featuring advanced AI algorithms, high-resolution thermal detection, and an ergonomic, lightweight design, it delivers unparalleled clarity and precision in low-light conditions. With multiple viewing modes, long battery life, and user-friendly controls, the AI-15 is a must-have for professionals and enthusiasts alike. Take advantage of the early bird offer and be among the first to experience the power of this state-of-the-art monocular at a special discounted price. Don't miss this exclusive opportunity to upgrade your vision technology with the GTMedia Hawkeye AI-15. Order now and elevate your nighttime adventures. Number 3. XbotGo Chameleon. The XbotGo Chameleon is an AI-powered sports tracking phone mount designed for athletes, content creators, and fitness enthusiasts. Featuring cutting-edge AI motion tracking, it automatically follows your movements, ensuring hands-free, perfectly framed videos. Whether you're running, cycling, or practicing yoga, the Chameleon's 360-degree rotation and smart stabilization keep your phone locked onto you. With real-time auto zoom, gesture control, and seamless app integration, capturing dynamic sports footage has never been easier. Its compact, lightweight design makes it ideal for indoor and outdoor use. Experience the next level of smart filming with the XbotGo Chameleon. Take advantage of our exclusive launch offer and revolutionize the way you record and analyze your workouts. Get yours today. Number 4. Excope DT1. The Excope DT1 is your ultimate companion for capturing life's moments effortlessly, anytime and anywhere. Designed for convenience and portability, this compact yet powerful camera delivers stunning image quality with seamless operation. Whether you're exploring the outdoors, attending events, or documenting daily life, the DT1 ensures you never miss a shot. With advanced autofocus, image stabilization, and intuitive controls, capturing professional quality photos and videos has never been easier. Its lightweight build and durable design make it perfect for on-the-go photography. Experience the freedom to create and share memories with the Excope DT1. Wherever life takes you, this innovative camera is ready to capture the moment. Get yours today and start shooting with ease. Number 5. Xtool P2. The Xtool P2 is a powerful 55WC02 laser cutter designed for makers, small businesses, and creative professionals. This smart desktop machine offers high-speed precision cutting, engraving, and etching on a variety of materials, including wood, acrylic, leather, and glass. With advanced AI-assisted features, autofocus, and curved surface engraving, the Xtool P2 ensures accuracy and efficiency in every project. Its large working area, seamless software integration, and user-friendly touchscreen interface make it perfect for beginners and professionals alike. The built-in safety features, including an enclosed design and air assist system, enhance both usability and protection. Unlock endless creative possibilities with the Xtool P2. Whether for DIY projects, personalized gifts, or business applications, this high-performance laser cutter brings your ideas to life with precision and ease. Order yours today. Number 6. DUZZONA Wireless Charger. The DUZZONA 4-in-1 Apple wireless charger is a stylish and functional charging station designed for Apple enthusiasts. Featuring a unique house-shaped design with built-in ambient lighting, it adds a cozy and modern touch to any space. This all-in-one charging dock efficiently powers your iPhone, Apple Watch, AirPods, and an extra device simultaneously, keeping your essentials organized and fully charged. With fast wireless charging, intelligent temperature control, and overcharge protection, the DUZZONA ensures safe and efficient power delivery. The soft ambient light enhances your bedside or workspace, creating a relaxing atmosphere. Perfect for home or office use. The DUZZONA 4-in-1 charger is both a practical and aesthetic solution for Apple users. Upgrade your charging experience today with this innovative and elegant wireless station. Number 7. Lemat Magnetic Fixer 2.0. The Lemat Magnetic Fixer 2.0 is the ultimate upgrade for your desk mat, bringing modern functionality and seamless organization to your workspace. Designed with strong magnetic edges, it securely holds papers, notes, and accessories in place, keeping your desk neat and clutter-free. Crafted from premium materials, the Fixer 2.0 offers a sleek, minimalist look while ensuring durability and stability. Its smart modular design allows for easy customization, making it perfect for work, gaming, or creative setups. Say goodbye to shifting desk mats and scattered papers. Modernize your workspace with a Lemat Magnetic Fixer 2.0. Whether at home or in the office, this innovative accessory enhances efficiency and style. Upgrade your desk today and experience next-level organization. Number 8. Zer ET Max Book Scanner. The Zer ET Max Book Scanner is a high-speed, professional-grade scanner designed for effortless digitization of books, documents, and artwork. Featuring AI-powered OCR technology, it quickly converts scanned pages into editable and searchable files, making document management seamless. With its curve-flattening technology, the ET Max scans bound books without distortion, eliminating the need to unbind or damage them. The fast scanning speed and intelligent image processing ensure crystal-clear results in seconds. Perfect for students, professionals, and archivists, the Zer ET Max supports multiple formats and integrates with various cloud services. Whether for work, study, or preservation, this scanner simplifies digitization with precision and ease. Upgrade your scanning experience today with the Zer ET Max. Number 9. PhotoTag. The PhotoTag is a pioneering Bluetooth keychain tracker featuring a customizable color e-ink display. Compatible with both Android and iOS devices, it allows users to personalize the screen with favorite designs, photos, or contact information, enhancing both style and functionality. Beyond aesthetics, PhotoTag offers seamless GPS tracking by utilizing nearby phones as base stations, providing real-time location updates. Its built-in alarm system aids in quickly locating misplaced items, while automatic notifications alert users if belongings are left behind. Designed for durability, PhotoTag boasts an IP65 waterproof rating, ensuring resilience against various environmental factors. With a battery life of up to 10 months, it ensures long-lasting performance. Currently available for pre-order on Kickstarter, PhotoTag is set to ship in April 2025. Number 10. MagGo Air. The MagGo Air is a revolutionary bag that reimagines convenience and accessibility. Its innovative magnetic closure system eliminates traditional zippers, allowing for swift and effortless access to your belongings. Designed for versatility, the MagGo Air seamlessly transitions between a sling and a waist bag, adapting to your dynamic lifestyle. Crafted with water-resistant materials and featuring an EVA protective shell, it ensures durability and protection for your essentials. The bag also includes an internal charging hole for easy access to your devices. Currently available for pre-order on Kickstarter, the MagGo Air is set to ship in April 2025. Number 11. ChargeUltra 360. The ChargeUltra 360 degrees rotating foldable 3-in-1 wireless charger is a versatile solution for simultaneously powering your smartphone, smartwatch, and wireless earbuds. It delivers 15W fast charging for phones, 3W for smartwatches, and 5W for earbuds, ensuring efficient power delivery for all your essential devices. Designed for convenience, this charger features a foldable structure that collapses to a slim 0.6 inches, making it highly portable and ideal for travel. The adjustable phone stand tilts up to 180 degrees, while the watch holder offers a 120 degrees range, allowing users to customize viewing angles for added convenience. Additionally, the 360 degrees rotating base, secured with air pressure fixation, enables effortless positioning on smooth surfaces. Crafted with a durable aluminum alloy shell, the ChargeUltra ensures long-lasting performance and effective heat dissipation. Number 12. Planck SSD. The Planck SSD is a compact, high-performance storage solution offering up to 2 terabytes of capacity. Designed for creators and professionals, it delivers read and write speeds up to 1,050 megabytes per second, ensuring efficient handling of large files. Its plug-and-play compatibility with iPhone, Android devices, cameras, laptops, and gaming consoles enhances its versatility. Tailored for high-resolution video recording, the Planck SSD supports real-time Apple ProRes 4K recording at 60 or 120 frames per second, eliminating dropped frames. Built for durability, the Planck SSD is water-resistant, dust-proof, and shock-proof, withstanding drops from up to 3 meters. Currently available for pre-order on Kickstarter, the Planck SSD is set to ship in May 2025. Number 13. KAMETA EDC Knife. The KAMETA EDC knife redefines everyday carry with its innovative quick versatility system, QVS, allowing users to effortlessly swap handle scales for personalized aesthetics and functionality. This design offers over 1,000 possible combinations, accommodating diverse preferences. Constructed with a grade 5 titanium frame, the KAMETA is exceptionally lightweight, weighing just 63 grams without scales, ensuring comfortable daily carry. The knife features a VG10 steel blade with a Damascus-clad finish, providing sharpness, corrosion resistance, and a distinctive appearance. Currently available for pre-order on Kickstarter, the KAMETA EDC knife is set to ship in April 2025.